What's going on? What's happening? Bam. Thursday. Yesterday we had some technical difficulties there at the end, but we're ready to rock and roll. Going to trade our Apex, right? Our evaluation accounts. Try to pass these mofos. Y'all know in 2025, this year, I am trading for day trading. Option trading is the same. For day trading, I'm looking at a brand new chart, Sierra charts, brand new system, and I'm trying to do this prop firm stuff. This is all brand new to me, okay? So I'll be talking about it every day, shooting videos on Apex, trying to figure it out. So anyway, let me let everybody inside the room. Let's get to work. What's up? Hopefully y'all doing good. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We do have we had unemployment claims at 7:30. So unemployment claims at 7:30. Already we have President Trump. Trump speaks at 10. So that should be interesting. All right. Just going to set up everything here. Get it rolling, get it rolling. Make sure we got all our stuff lined up. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff. How are you?
I'm doing good, my man. I'm ready for another day to continue to work on this system, brother.
Absolutely.
You know what? We got this month, the rest of this month is really dial in the signals. So that way, February, reset some of those accounts and try to get 3 PAs, man. That's what I'm gonna try to do it. So I really got about 1 week to get this shit rolling. What's up, Jeff?
Absolutely.
Hey, good morning, guys.
What's up? What's up?
Good morning.
Well, I have a better functioning system this morning.
All right. What'd you do differently?
Well, I spent a bunch of time on the phone with Liz yesterday, and one of the things is we've got probably way too many charts. And so if you look down below there in your lower left-hand corner,
Yeah.
yours is not too bad. I've got mine down to 1. Mine is down to MNI 5 auto traders with the 10 V1. I got rid of all that other stuff that was in there, number 1. It was just taking up too many resources. The other thing was I found out too is that when you're making any changes in your charts, this is something I found out on my own. If you close the chart book.
Oh, what'd I just do? How do you undo something? Shit. Oh, I've got to go back and open it up brand new. Oh, man. Shit. All right, that's fine. Go ahead. Keep talking, brother. Sorry about that.
The other thing is that when you make changes to your charts, what I'm finding is you don't open up you close your chart books first. You close everything, right? Just close it and then go up to your tools. Like if you're changing some of your tools or chart settings or something like that, I found out that it helps with that blue wheel. Like you'll still get a little bit of blue wheel, but maybe for a minute.
Say that again. Say that again.
Okay, so if you were going to make a change in your chart setup, for example, like you know how we go in and we'll make a change and we get the blue wheel and this and that.
Yeah.
What you do first is you close the chart book. So you don't have anything up on your screen,
okay,
except for the main toolbars up on top. And what that does is that'll unload all that stuff out of your system resources, let you go in and make a change to the program, and then when you reload your chart book, the chart book will pick up that change right away.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
That's what worked for me, but I'll recommend you play with that kind of after hours.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you know what little things that we pick up here and there, right?
Whoa. Holy crap. I guess the market's open.
Yeah, it's just over right now. Yeah.
I also learned a way, I figured out a way too on my own to how you can use the hand tool to pan your chart around. Like you don't have to use the X, Y. Yeah, you could go in all different directions. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
But you can go, wait, you can go up and down?
Yeah, I've
How?
got it set so you can go up and down. So this is going to be a thing that I'll write it up for you, but you need to go into your tools.
Okay.
Or yeah, go into your tools. You go into your tool settings, and there's a way in there. I'll send you a picture.
Awesome.
Of what that could look like.
Awesome, because that is, I really wish I could just do it from the chart. That would be awesome. Yeah, that's great. I always have to hit control.
It's frustrating to constantly have to go back to your, your price column and your time column to move around, or you only get a left, right, or up, down. This way, you can move it all over the place.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it, my man. What's up, Brandon? What's up? Here we go.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey. Good morning. Let's do good today. Let's do good. Let's work on our Well, I'm going to be working on my signals. I'm assuming y'all have the same signals as me. So let's get to work here. Let a little bit shake out. But that'll be good, man, when you show me that. Again, we're all brand new to this Sierra chart, so it's just learning the little nuances. And that's why we got all of us. You figure out stuff, I figure out stuff. We share it with the group and help each other out.
Yeah, little by little, we'll just keep picking away at this thing.
Exactly. Just like in the Deep Dive podcast. Exactly. All right, Nasdaq. Minus 128. 130-ish flopping around. S&P is down 8. Russell 2000 down a little bit. And gonna let it shake out. We do have Trump speaking at 10 o'clock.
By the way, just a reminder for everybody, check your targets settings. Make sure you got your ticks set right.
Shit.
I think I figured out something on how that happens too.
Wow. How'd that happen?
Well, I was clicking around, and it's like you see that C and A tab over there.
Yeah. Whoa, what the hell did I just do?
Yeah, that'll read that. Somehow that resets it. That'll reset it to like 8 ticks. At least it did on mine. So don't mess with it right now.
You were like, see that C, and I clicked it, and you're like, don't mess with it. I'm like, damn it.
Yeah, just make sure. I think it was the A tab that's the deadly one. I don't know what that does, other than just
screw you up.
Loads up some kind of a default in your targets. But anyway, yeah, just check your targets every morning.
All right, I like it.
Flight checklist.
All right, let's see what we got. I'm gonna wait. What's up, Malik? We're getting it down though.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. All right, fast pace. So I'm deciding right now how much time I'm going to let go by before I start crushing it. So I think what I'll do is I'm just gonna let 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes go by, and then I'm gonna start whacking away like a whack-a-mole, right? Right now, though, we flopping around. Stochastics heading down. Our MACD is crossing. So we really need to work on our biases on this chart of how we're going to go about doing that. That's super critical. So right now, we got a pretty big range if you just kind of profile the market. We're sitting right at that support level. So let's just give it a minute and see what happens here. Same thing as yesterday. I'm focusing on the same signals. That's it. That's it. No more of this messing around with all these crazy ass signals. It is what it is. Like right now, we're just kind of chopping around. So let's see what we got. Remember, whenever we, and again, this is practice. I'm using the rest of this month to really zone it in. And then I'm going to start going for these PA accounts. So put you on mute. If you got something to say, just say it. I can hear like clicking or not clicking, but stuff. So, and then Jeff, we will talk about that later, what you posted. We'll go over that together. All right, so we got a dasher boom. I'm not taking that dasher boom. That's not the one I want to take. I want to focus on a couple different signals that we discussed yesterday on that dasher. All right, so we're kind of right sitting at this 30. See if we can bounce off this 30, head up. I'll shift my bias to bias up, and I'll look to take that dasher. So I'm actually going to go ahead and turn on my my dasher boom in case we break through that area right there, resistance. All right, but we're hooking. So if we bounce here, this could work its way up to the high. Other than that, let's get ready to rock. Coming in line 21, right? We are kind of flat right this second. We're good. So I've got my, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and turn off my dasher boom because I only want it to trigger if we break through here. And I don't want it to accidentally trigger somewhere else. So I'll turn it on if we come up here. But right now we're coming on line 21. We are pretty flat on a 55. So I think I'm going to pass on this trade right here. I'll wait for that second go around. Give it a little bit of shake out. Again, I'm only focusing on the price action signals and certain dasher booms. Yeah, turn off your dasher boom or now it's going to trigger short. So just turn it off for right now. Big wide range. In our stochastics is, dropping, super volatile. Went up to the 55. Right now it's undecided. Just be patient. Remember, this is my goal. This is what I'm going to try for every day. 3 wins. Okay? 3 wins. When I get 3 wins, I'm done. So, because you got commissions and, we might take some break evens. So I was looking to take this trade, but I'm just waiting and watching. So as soon as I get 3 wins, which means if I lose the first one and I win the second one, I'm back to break even. So I'm going to be trading these PA accounts every day, going for 3 wins a day. So if I lose the first 2, I got to hit 2 to make up for it. Now, when I get my PA accounts, if I lose 3, I'm done trading that PA account for the day. So my magic number is going to be 3 when we get rolling. And next month, that's how I'm going to follow these evaluation accounts as well. Right now, I'm just kind of testing it out, but 3 is what I'm going for because after the commissions, it looks like a couple break evens. In order to hit our daily goal, we're going to get 3. That was a nice trade right there. Okay. We're back above line 21. If we come up here, I'll turn on Dasher. Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. If we're stacked, I will only turn that on if we're stacked. I'm going to also play the Dasher Boom divergences today. So we're right at the 55. Doesn't look like we're going to be stacked, so I'm not going to play that Dasher Boom. Unless Yeah, I'm not gonna play this dasher boom. And I gotta win 3 trades, so I gotta be very, very specific on what we do, right? Bias is up though. Right now, I'm focused to the upside. We're just not stacked over here the way I want. So I'm gonna hold off on the dasher. We do got an upslope in 55. We bounced off the 0 line with the cross. Okay. Price action signal. Upslope in 55, higher high. Looking for that diamond, and I'm going to be going long. We got to get good at being consistent with our signals. You know, I wonder what this does right here. Take multiple trades. You know how we always have to do a buy stop to re-enter? I wonder if I leave that check, if it will jump back in a trade. Why don't one of y'all try that? Let me know. I'm curious. Multiple trades. So I'm just curious.
I think you got to turn off the auto disable. So yeah, I think it will.
You think it'll?
Yeah, just leave that off. It will take multiple trades.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, I think it'll leave if it's enabled. From what I read, it should take multiple trades.
Okay. All right. So after this candle, we close red. I'm turning on.
Sounds dangerous.
I know it does, right? It sure does. I know. Sounds fucking real dangerous. I'm not gonna. If it goes up, that'd be a chopstick. I'm not taking a chopstick. Chopstick. One chopstick. You rich. Right?
I have another cool tool I'll share with you in the mastermind.
Ooh.
It relates to the auto traders.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a dashboard and it's really cool. It simplifies things.
Oh, that's awesome, bro. Dude, see, that's what I'm saying is we all work together.
Yeah.
And I'm excited about that one because I can't pick it up and down. I have to go over here and I love to do it just from the freaking chart.
Yeah.
Chopstick.
Yeah, okay, I'll shut up for a while.
No, you're good, bro. You're good. No, I like it. This is that chopstick. I'm not taking any chopsticks. Not right now. She said 4 chopsticks. I think she changes some from yesterday, but I'm not taking chopsticks. Not yet, man. I got to practice for a while before I start venturing into that Chinese stuff. It's a big move up, though. I'm watching this candle, though. Right now, we got an upsloping. I like it. I mean, we're strong. 3 trades is all I'm going for a day, so I'm going to be I'm not going to say I'm very selective. I'm just going to focus on my signal. Look at that damn chopstick. She's going to say later, see, all the shot, you had the chop. No, you can't take the chopstick unless you no, nobody but them would take that. Nobody. I'm sorry. Nobody. But I am, the rest of this month for me is just about execution. And then February, I'm going to go for 3 PAs, man. Keep doing research on Apex and Prop Firm. To me, all 2025 is all about, other than, our option trading, which we're good on that. It's learning this stuff. Trading these evaluations, passing, getting these PA accounts, and lighting it up. It's all new to all of us. All right, see that chopstick? She's going to go back later and tell you that chopstick was money that you should have taken it, but in real time, no, absolutely not. Absolutely not. So look, our MACD, we're above 90, about to hit the 0 line. We've crossed, so we're bullish working our way up. You know, we could go up here to 21,926. We're sitting on the 55. Let's say, you know, again, we're bias up, right? We're bias up right now. That's the direction I want to go. Unless we flip. Flopping around. It feels good, though, when you know what you're looking for. I'll be honest with you, man. It feels really good when you fucking know. You know, been utilizing this whole month to really understand the software, these Urinko charts, which are insane. Insane, bro. Fucking Urinko. Just watching. I'm typing our group while I'm waiting. Nasdaq's down 121. S&P's pretty flat. Look at that. Now you're circling back around. It's tricky. Wait for a clear signal. Right, Brandon? Brandon knows shit. What's up, Jay? Right now, it's just stopping people out. Chopsticks getting killed. Dasher booms getting killed. Good morning. Yeah, if you took a Dasher boom trade, you're already in the hole. Chopstick, I mean, you had to be an absolute wizard. So we haven't got any signals yet, so we're still waiting. I'm looking for 3 wins a day. And a win does not include break even. And if I lose and you win, that offsets. 3 wins a day will hit our daily goal. And we'll make good money. Maybe a lot if we get really good at this. If you have any, I mean, if you want to chat too, I'm down. Come off the mic. I have no problem, right? Absolutely. Instead of me just talking away, open discussion, right? We're here learning this together, right? None of us are an expert. This is all brand new for all of us. In order for us to learn, we got to talk. So feel free to chat with me. Okay? And it doesn't matter if we're on YouTube or not. It's not like we got anything to hide. We're learning this together. So, you know, ain't no hush hush. Don't tell nobody. We're learning this together. So feel free, come off the mic and chat with me. I mean, we got nothing to lose. You know, we're trying to all do the same thing. We're trying to master this. It's brand new. So feel free. So Jeff, if you got a question too, shit, it doesn't matter. You posted earlier. If you got a question about it, you know what? We don't have to wait. The thing is, whenever you're going to show me the what you figured out as far as the charts, let's wait till later to do that. But if it's a question about trading, feel free to ask it, my man. That's the only way we can all learn together.
Yeah, well, will do. I'm more focused this morning now. I got all my charts and everything working and set up the way I want them.
Yeah,
So Jeff,
yeah, what's up, brother?
the pink and the blue candles back to back, is that the chopsticks? Is
Yes.
that okay?
Yeah.
Or blue pink if it goes the other way.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Okay. Thanks.
And so what is their play on the chopsticks? What are they expecting from that?
Big bucks.
Big bucks.
Which direction?
Double whammy, double whammy, double whammy. No, I'm just kidding. Chopstick is basically a flat. See this little V?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what it is. And they're just expecting, again, if it's a big red bar, to turn around and get a big blue bar. If it's a big blue bar, to turn around and get a red bar. But basically, it's a pullback that doesn't even really pull back. But the only way you can get that is on the second candle. But I've seen that second candle do many fake outs if you try to anticipate a chopstick. So that's not for me. Now, they'll look back later and say that that was a chopstick. You should have taken it. You could have passed your exam. But look at the very next candle, man. That thing pulled all the way back here. Come on, dude. I'm not trading these chopsticks. But, Jeff, basically it's a strong bullish sign if it's to the upside because it's basically trying to pull back, but the bulls step in and form this V. That's all it is. But in order to get it, it has to occur on a second candle. Me, I'm letting that second candle close because I don't want to get stuck in that chopstick madness.
Right.
But yeah, that's what it is. Big money. Big money. Big money. That's what it symbolizes now. It symbolizes you better be really good. And I'm definitely not really good with this. I'm learning, but you know what? It's like everything else, man. We're starting from zero, which is great. We're learning it together. That's why that mastermind group that we do in the coaching is so important because we got all of our minds working together. How can we not figure this stuff out when we got all of us working together? Right now, there's nothing happening. You got a double star on the 6. What does that mean? Not a clue. Not a fucking clue.
It looks like on the Urenkos, you need to learn to hit the fastball.
Yeah, exactly. Stay away from the curves and sliders and only focus on the fastball. Exactly. I'm with you. And that's what I'm doing going forward. You know, it took me about, 20 something, I started a little bit before January, so towards the end of December. So I'm going to say it has taken me almost 1 month to get, kind of sort of used to the charts, to get my signature trade that I'm going to be taking. But now all the rest is just noise to me. But in the beginning, just taking trades like crazy, getting stopped out. I think that one day I lost like $4,500 in like 10 minutes, dude. I went from being up $1,500 to blowing up the account. I don't know if it's 15, but it was less than 30 minutes. It was a destruction. But at the end of the day, when you're trying to learn a brand new software and a brand new charting package and nobody's really helping you, I mean, come on, dude. What do you expect? So we're probably going to go up to this high. If we break that, maybe the daily pivot. I don't know what this means that everything's in the purple. I guess we're below the daily pivot. I guess that's what it is. So I guess if you're I'm assuming that's what that means, right? We're just below the daily pivot. She would probably.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay. Obviously, that would mean I guess we're bearish, but
Hey, we're on the main chart where it looks like we got that looks like a big dasher line up there. What is that ML.50? Is that a fib level too?
Well, by guys, let me pull out my little cheat sheet. It is a fib, midline fib.
Midline fib, okay.
Yeah. Midline fib. I'm not taking this. It's just too choppy right now. You know what? We could take this dasher if it breaks to the bottom. Let's just kind of talk about it. That's that divergence we were talking about. We already broke the low. That could anticipate that this will go down to here. So I think I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to watch it. And if we break through support, we could come down into here. You know what? I am going to take it. That's the only way to learn. I've got my auto trader enabled. Again, I'm practicing. And I'm taking it because we got us a divergence. We got a divergence right here. I think. No. Sorry. We don't have a divergence. Undo it. No. This was not a divergence. So cross that out. That was a higher high, and that's a higher high. Now, we did break that, but I'm only gonna, okay, so I'm gonna trade the dasher booms when they're stacked and trending, or that divergence pop like we did yesterday. That is definitely something I'm going to be watching. But right now, this is just destroying people. And you know what? Let me write something down over here. Okay. Charles is being quiet also, which is kind of interesting. What did he say? Charles has said, looking for a pullback day from yesterday's gap and pause. And right now, this is not a recipe for success. I almost feel like taking that oil trade. That gap, though, still has me like kind of iffy. Look at that. All right, we got a dasher. And it's not the reindeer. But you know what? It did break that low before. But again, that's not what I'm trading right now. Right now, we're just inside a mess. So I don't want to hear anything about we passed 20 exams this morning, when right now, every single new trader is getting destroyed. There's absolutely no doubt in my mind right now that every new trader is getting destroyed. Bam, I would have got out at Rebecca line 80. Going to trigger another dasher probably. That would have went down to the, I would have got out right there. Again, I'm not taking it that high. It's not what I like. You know, it's a lot more exciting, though, watching these Urenco bounce up and down than just staring at that damn ES 3-minute candlestick. I'll tell you that right now. It's a lot more exciting.
Except before market opens, when it stays on the same candle for 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I don't even look at it when the market opens. Or I don't look at it before the market opens.
Well, sometimes they move pretty good when the other markets around the world open. At least it's not open, but
yeah. No, I mean, I'm sure they do. I take kids to school and
right.
You know,
and the main driver is the New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah.
So
for sure. All right. Again, I'm waiting. 3 trades, man. We just got to have 3 wins a day. 3 wins a day, and we are golden.
Market didn't do much at all in the overnight.
Yeah, I don't look at the market in the overnight either. ES is down 4. Dow Jones right now is up 109. It's pretty flat. And again, Trump does speak, so who knows, right? Again, right now, we are coming off a lower low. But I'm still iffy right now. I'm still iffy. We got all day, man. I'm telling you right now, when we're trading these real PA accounts, all we need is 3 wins, man. 3 wins. That's it. And then I'll just go work on my evaluation. So I am not going to just take something to take it. So we hit the high of the day and we rolled over. Okay. It's just in a range right now, still undecided. Man, I'm thinking about jumping in that oil trade. I'm truly thinking about it. All right, so I was thinking about gonna go short, but I'm not doing it yet. To me, this is just honestly one big range that I want to stay out of. Yeah. I mean, if you think about it, if you go over here, you got the low and you got the high, right? And these are 10 minutes. So this candle should close here in a minute And then you're inside that range. You know, we can play it the same way we do the ES, right? So basically you've got the low, you got this high. You know, anything in the middle right now seems to be kind of just chopping around. I don't think that's how I'm going to play it, but that's something maybe we start watching for future, right? But we are crossing over here. We break through this support level. We can trade to the downside until we hit the low. I'm glad I didn't take that short. Even though this is a nice lower high diamond. Man, I want to go short, but that 55 right now is sloping up. Let's see if it changes in real time. We're at line 21. That's you can tell that's an area right there. Man, I would have moved to break even. Target in here. Bam! That would have hit it. Shit. Damn it. I'm just gun shy, right? Because we had all those losses early. Like so many losses in the beginning trying to figure this out that I need to get over that fact and just take the damn signals, right? Oh, MDX! Take it! What did she say yesterday? The first pullback after the MDX, you take it. Yeah, that's not going to happen from me. Yeah. I was taking that before and it didn't do nothing. Oh, Dasher. Raymond, did you take the Dasher? You would pass your exam if you took the Dasher, but you had already got stopped out so many times, you would have already blown up the account. You would have got stopped out here, and that would have blown up your whole account. Ta-da! I am biased down right now. I am looking to go short. So I will take the next diamond short. All right? 3 wins, baby. We're at Rebecca's line U-turn. Whatever that means, right? Later on, everybody's going to say that diamond, which honestly, I should have taken that diamond. I was just gun shy. I'm going to be totally honest with you. I should have taken it. See? Did you take the diamond? You passed your exam. Now, I am going to unload on the next diamond. With this auto trader right there. We are at support. Rebecca's line, U-turn. Not right, Jeff. It's just right, Patrick. Right, Raymond. I shouldn't even say my name, right, Jeff. It's always right, Raymond. Right, Patrick. She says Jeff sometimes. The other Jeff. You're right, not me. Right, Jeff? Jeff, right? You got it?
I only answer to Captain Jeff in that.
Oh, there you go. Exactly. You call me Captain. It's like that movie back in the days, Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. You call him Dr. Jones.
You call me Captain or I short you.
Exactly. You call me Dr. Jones, I short you. Hey, that kid is growing up now, and he's in a movie that's coming out, which actually looks pretty good. He's kicking butt in that movie. I don't know the name of it, but I want to see it. He's growing up, man. It's crazy. I told my wife, oh, wow. I told my wife, I said, Hey, man, that's that little guy that was at Indiana Jones. You call him Dr. Jones. All right, as soon as we get this roll over, baby, we're going short. Come on. Here we go. Oh, they're in the development of Goonies, too. That's right. He was in Goonies. Shit, that's right. Forgot about that. Duh. Goonies Part 2. They must all be all grown up. Well, obviously, they're all grown up now. Some of them fucking old. Now, this is a lot of action. You take that pull back. I'm going to go up to that 55, and I'm going to short you because of this MDX. You just passed your exam. Did you get that, Raymond? Patrick? You go to that 55. I'm going to short you MDX. Ta-da. I'm sorry. This helps me zone in. That was the trade right there. I'm just gun shy. I'm going to be fully honest. I'm just gun shy. Exactly. Haven't you passed 10 evaluations today? I'm just hoping we can win a game. I'm just hoping we can win a game. I'm looking to go short, guys, with my signal. My diamond to the downside. I don't care. 6 to 6, that means absolutely squat to me. So you're below line 21. Dashers will trigger. Are we stacked? No, we're not. We're not stacked yet. If we go down to the low of the day, we might be stacked. I would have already lost about $3,000 taking all this crazy stuff, dude. All right, so I'm going to be looking for a diamond here pretty soon. All right, I'm going to turn it into diamond. I'm turning it on. All right, I'm turning it off. Too big a move. Now we're up above too many support levels. I was looking for this to roll over. Also, we just made a higher high. I'm not taking a lower high when this MACD's made a higher high. Yeah, it might work. I get it. But you know what? I got to stick to my signals. Man, break even? Break even. Target's about here. So right now, I'm not taking it. You be break even. We did come to 0, but that's fine. That's fine. We're learning, right? Because, man, we can't afford a $250 loss really like just for nothing. So right now, you break even with the target of right here. And later on, this diamond's going to look great. And they're going to say, why didn't you take the diamond? I know it. You probably be break even. That's why. Too much whipsaw, right? This is still kind of choppy. Like, there's a lot of movement in that candle, man. These are crazy, dude. Right at DBS, whatever that means. I do want to trade short, though. You know what's interesting? Time goes by. It seems like time goes by so much faster with this than us staring at the candlesticks. I guess because there's so much action. And again, I'm trading these evaluations as if they're PAs. That's why I'm being picky. I'm trading these as if there are PA accounts that we we passed. So that's why I'm not just jumping in there like a maniac. These prop firms, again, I'm doing a lot of videos, a lot of research, right? All they care about is consistent traders. That's it. You make, $500, $700 a day, you are going to be, that's what they're looking for, man. Still pretty choppy. This trade would have been fierce, man. Well, it'd be break even. Probably would have jumped back in, break even again, and just sweating it. I like those trades where you get in, you move to break even, and it hits your target, in like less than 1 minute. So I'm working on 3 auto traders. That one, and the dasher. That's the only 3 that I'm playing going forward. There's really no movement. Again, there was that diamond right here. But because the reason why I didn't take it was because we were sloping up and I wasn't comfortable taking it. Maybe that shit doesn't even matter, dude. It was white also. But we got all day. After this, I'm going to do options. And then we come back, we take a break. We trade this all day long, man. So, can't be in any hurry, when we'll be trading it in our live coaching class like the whole freaking day. But the fact that I haven't taken a bunch of trades and lost a bunch of money is also really good. Because normally, I'd be already down like probably 1,300 or 1,700. Okay, so we're back above line 21. We're bouncing off this level. We're still climbing. We're still going down over here. If this flips green, we're still chopping around. Jason, did you get that pullback? That pullback passed you an exam. Brandon, did you get it? Did you see the pullback? How many exams did you pass today, Brandon? You passed. You passed $300,000 evaluations. There you go. $1 million a month, Jason. You are on your way to making $1 million a month. I'm sorry, $1 million a day. My bad. $1 million a day. I'm sorry, but this is a sideways range. I've never been able to recognize when to stay out. But because I'm focusing on my signals now, again, I can at least, this is for people who are really experienced with this software, and that is not me. I need to have a nice move to get my 3 trades, right? So we're sitting in line 21. Got my little cheat sheet. So we did turn off of Rebecca's U-turn line. Did you get that candle? Right there. What's his name from yesterday? He probably would have jumped in and taken that candle, got his points, and already made $8,000 today. The only one I could have taken was this one right here. Yeah, exactly. Mixes Kool-Aid for Jonestown. But you know what? The market is flat. S&P's only down 4. This hasn't moved. This is not the environment for somebody who is brand new, which is me and all of y'all. This environment will kill us. I mean, we've got this first candle. If you go over here, right? You got right there. Right there. We haven't even, broke out of the range. We're still inside the opening candle. You know, we need to at least get out of that range, right? I think that's what we could do too, y'all. We take that opening candle, and right now we're inside the range. That's why it's just chopping around. I just thought about that right now. We do that in the S&P, right? Don't we play the 30-minute range? I don't want to go all 30, but we can take this first 10-minute candle. How does the 30-minute look like? 30 minutes just going sideways, right? So maybe that's something we can do from a bias, right? You know, you had this.
Over on TOS, the NQ is right in the middle of the 30-minute range.
Yeah, of course. There you go. Right there. Right smack in the middle.
And the moving averages over on TOS look like wound up spaghetti.
There you go. Wound up spaghetti. Well, that's it right there. This is the 30-minute range. If we go here, that's that. That's that. We're inside this 30-minute range, and that's what's producing this chop. You know, that's actually, I can't even believe I didn't think of that. We do that every day with the ES. Why the heck didn't I think of that over here? It's probably because I think this system, and it's got all these different things in it, I look at it more confusing than I should.
Yeah, I think the basics of the rules that you've established for the ES, it carries over here nicely, and 30-minute range is the 30-minute range.
Yeah, exactly. 30-minute range is the 30-minute range. You could even look. Go ahead.
Oh, it's hovering right around the opening 5-minute high or 3-minute high.
There you go.
Yeah, you're right.
It just broke below it, but it had gone up a little bit. It's gone down. The whole range is narrow too for the 30 minutes.
Hey, just really quickly, that's another dasher boom that bites the dust. That dasher boom, along with that one and the other one, you've already blown up 5 PAs. But you are absolutely right. Again, that's not the dasher boom we take. But, just looking at this, you know what? I can't believe I didn't even think of that. What the hell? We've been looking at the ES every day for like 5 years. We play these opening range breakouts. We're inside the first 10-minute candle. If you look, oh my God, look at the fast. Just pretend this is the VIX. We're coming into the low. If we break the low, that's just like the VIX breaking before the Nasdaq. Which means if it breaks that low, that should give an indication that we break that low, and then we are biased down. What the hell? Why did I not? I can't believe I didn't even think of that. What the hell's wrong with me?
Well, you're getting your eye adjusted to a new picture, man.
That's what it is. I'm looking at this new picture, and I'm like psyching myself out. With in reality, it's all the same shit.
Just a different day.
It's just a different day. Different charts, right?
Right. And you were just about on the bottom one on the left there. It was just about ready to break the zero line. The one went above the zero line. The slower one didn't. And now
Yeah.
they both rolled over again. So
Yep.
that was one of her things about moving up too. When it was bouncing off of support and they broke the zero line on the bottom, that was her, oh, it's going to go up to whatever. Now they're going, that one's going back down too.
Abso-freaking-lutely. And look at this. We popped that low to the downside, so that could be an indication, unless we kind of just chop back up in the middle, you know, but we're still trapped inside this 10-minute range. And this right here for a new, again, I say a new trader, which is all of us and everybody else going through the mentor, this is too difficult. Like they're probably getting destroyed. I would imagine they're getting destroyed. Dude, that's exactly what we're talking about, Charles. Charles said, sometimes you make more money by doing nothing. That's exactly what we're talking about.
Yeah, we've done nothing and we've made money.
Exactly. We didn't blow up our account.
You know, I'm even looking at the Ready Aim Fire up on my toss for NQ. I mean, that thing's just tracking down the zero line for the last 15 minutes or so. It's just crazy.
It is crazy, bro. It is.
It's the same stuff we've been looking at, you know, I mean.
Yeah, it all is, man, to be honest with you.
I'm just using toss as my secondary instrument in my flying here, you know. It's like I'm looking at the one primary instrument, which is Sierra, but I'm just, you know, cross-checking my instruments.
Yeah, this is good stuff, to be honest with you. And again, I could be taking these higher low trades. I could be. But I'd rather be, again, when I'm only going to try to hit 3 wins, that's it, 3. I don't need to be, I need to be clear. Because imagine you trading, even if you were just trading 5 PA accounts and you were getting that minimum of $500 a day. That's like $10,000 a week. Are you kidding me? Somebody else's money? Shit. Even if you only have 3.
500,000 a day?
Yeah, I know. That's only for Raymond and Patrick. Dude, look what Charles put. Charles said the 15 and 30-minute range tells you everything you need to know. I mean, that's exactly how we trade the ES. Right? Yes, I see. This is going to be another diamond. I could have taken it. Yeah, and I would have won. That is true. But you know what? I just don't want to trade the chop. MDX, first pullback. Ta-da!
Well, I know what we're going to hear this morning.
We're going to hear that you should have passed, that it was a beautiful day, and you should have passed so many exams.
250 here, 250 here, 250 here.
Right there, guys. First lower high. There's your diamond. Your bias was up. You take all the bounces, even the lower lows. So what you should have did was you should have won that one. You should have won that one. You should have won that one. You could have very easily passed your evaluation account today. That's exactly what's going to happen. But in the reality world, for the beginner, it's impossible. Impossible. Now, look at this. We crossed down here. We bounced. We cross here. We'll go back up. I am going to play the dasher boom. Maybe if we can get up here to this 50 if we're crossed. But the main thing is I'm going to have to tell myself is there's no need to rush a trade when all you're trying to make is 3 winners. Okay. And normally it's not this sideways. I mean, the ES is down literally the same as it was like 30 minutes ago. We're still inside the 10-minute range on the Nasdaq. This is for only people who are advanced. So it's pretty much a nothing here in the morning, which is fine. You know, we get into options here in a little bit. After options, take a tiny break, and then we come back at it. And, you know, we can, you know, keep looking, right? This is already a big plus for me, because I would have been taking so many trades and, you know, probably still be really frustrated. And like Charles said, sometimes you make more money by doing that. Look, this Dasher Boom lost again. Anybody, I'm telling you, if Raymond has his Dasher Boom on, he's already blown up so many accounts. It's not even funny. This Dasher Boom lost. This Dasher Boom lost. I don't want to hear anything today when we get in our mentor room about, well, if you would have taken these Dasher Booms. No, Dasher Booms got killed. Like, killed is an understatement. So I hope, you know, they don't talk about, well, the Dasher Boom trade today was, no, the Dasher Boom was awful. That's why I really like the scenarios that we're trading them. Stacked, or I think I'm going to play the Dasher Boom divergence. An Amway timeshare convention. Oh, you take this high or low. There's a diamond. So, Jeff, you messed up. You should have taken that diamond. You should have taken that diamond. And if this goes up, you should have taken that diamond. If it goes down, then you did a good job. I'm being sarcastic.
That's okay. I had the blue wheel going, so don't worry about it.
That fucking wheel.
The blue wheel often saves you from bad trades.
It does, dude. Oh my god, dude, a fucking blue wheel.
I haven't had blue wheel this morning, but still.
Did y'all get that diamond off the zero? If this goes up, I'm gonna laugh, because did you get the diamond off the zero? Yeah, right. This is wild right now. When I say wild, it's just wild because it's doing nothing.
I gotta go get some coffee, and I might put a splash of Bailey's in it.
You know what? There ain't nothing wrong with that. Here, we're gonna do this for a little bit more than handle. Well, probably not. Yeah. Oh, with the wheel. Yeah. Her software's pretty packed. Jeff did discover some tricks though with Liz's help on how to help that. So today he's gonna talk about some of that. He's also found a trick over here on Sierra Charts to where we can move it up and down and not have to hit this control button anymore. Can't wait for that trick. That's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it makes it really nice. Hey, Jason, I found out some things on the blue wheel too. So just stuff I did on my own to see if it works for you.
Hey, Jeff, can you help me get the one off of my forehead?
The blue wheel.
Control, delete, reboot.
There you go. Control.
Reload the operating system.
Yeah.
It's called Benjamin Button. That's what you need. A curious case of Benjamin Button. That movie. That's
Hey, Jeff,
which Jeff?
you, when he goes over the changes or what he found out, could you record that and share it with us? Just I'll take notes.
Oh, yeah. Remind me.
When we get there.
All right, guys. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go here to this. Oh my god, it was locked the whole time. Even if I would have taken a trade, I would. Oh my god. I forgot to unlock it. Even if I wanted to take a trade, I would have never been able to take it. Oh, that's funny.
Safest way not to lose money.
Yeah, exactly. Really quick, did y'all get that diamond? You should have. You should have passed several exams right now. The fact that y'all didn't is very disappointing because you guys saw this diamond. You saw this diamond after it happened, which told you you should have taken it. All right, so I'm going to pop off YouTube, but on a serious note right now, I think we did a great job. Yeah, my trade was locked, but I didn't hit the button anyway. Now we're coming off a lower low. I'm really paying attention to this MACD, I'm telling you. We're going to do a lot of talking today in the coaching, the mastermind group. So I'm going to just keep it unlocked. I'm going to minimize it, and I'm going to go off YouTube. Y'all come back tomorrow or join